Walnuts suck. Hey, what's up guys? Today we have, this is actually job number 2. First job we were kind of rushing, but here's this black walnut next to this house. Goes out over the roof. They want this one gone, so we had the lift for the first job, which is pretty sweet. Could probably climb this, but there's really no need to. We've already rented the lift for that other job, so get her done, check it out. First cut. All clear. You really just need to put it in the porta. You don't need to wrap it. There you go. Yeah, that was pretty close. Yeah, this walnut's pretty heavy wood. Headache. All clear. Job earlier today wasn't as bad as I kind of anticipated it being a lot worse. Headache. Clear. These next couple pieces I'm probably going to be able to just launch. I was only worried about this little fence for those first couple pieces. Now I think we're pretty clear. Yeah, they numbed me in like 2 seconds. It was immediate relief. Now I'm trying to take small enough pieces to where it can be manageable for one person. So you're saying you haven't bucked the trailer up too much? Okay, so we should be good on the dump, because I have one more brush piece, but it's not really that big, because this is all logwood and that's gonna stack nice. Loaded. The millionaire next door right there, dude. I think we could flop it. Hey, Alec, go ahead and get this tight. You can probably drop the big one on the pile and see if it'll crush it. All right, guys, we are almost done, but as you can see, it's like a million walnuts to clean up. Alec, do you have any say about the walnut extravaganza?
Walnuts suck.
Yeah. We'll see you next time, guys.